Hi there, this is Avraham with Reconvert. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the product upsell widget in Reconvert on Wix. This widget's a powerful tool that will allow you to add upsell products to any page in your store, helping you to increase the sales and enhance the shopping experience for your customers. So, how do we access the product upsell widget? Very simply, if you load up the Reconvert editor, the product upsell will by default be there on the left-hand side, just over here. In fact, you may well have three. So over here, let's open one here. By the way, if you don't have the product upsell widget or you want to add another, you could do so at the bottom here, add section, and then click product upsell. And you can have a total of 10 sections. So that includes 3 within this product upsell. So one product upsell has 3 blocks: the divider, the text, and the product. So because we've now reached the limit here, we've got 3 within this one, and 3 within this one. That equals 9. Therefore, we can only have another divider maybe, but we wouldn't be able to have another product upsell here. Though what we could do, if we wanted to have yet another product upsell, we could add a product block within a product upsell. So it wouldn't be the full widget, but it would allow us to have offer another product to our customers. So again, if we open these all up for visibility, then you can see we have a large number of product upsell widgets here together with the product blocks within, and again, possibly add another product here, but no, we've reached the limit now, so we can't. So we've got up to 10 elements that we can have. So this is the maximum your page could look with all of these product upsells. So once you've got the product upsell that you wish to work on, let's say this one here, you can then go ahead and give this product upsell an internal name for your own reference. So this might be something based on the condition that you've set previously. Let's say order values, and we'll go ahead and click save. Now within the product upsell widget itself, we have 3 blocks. We have the divider block, the text block, and the product block. Now the divider block is a simple line that separates elements from other elements, just helping to improve that visual clarity. The text block here is a text box with simply customizable styling. You can provide additional context here or instructions to your customers. We've got separate help desk articles on all 3 of these that you can go and reference. You can click learn more. If you're interested in the text, you can click learn more about text and find our link to our help desk article and additional videos. Within the product block, which is the most substantive block of all of the blocks within this widget, it's essentially the core of the widget. This block will allow you to showcase specific products to your customers, and there's a separate help desk video and help desk article on this that you can browse at your leisure. So in short, each component within this widget can be customized to suit your store's branding and messaging, and you can use these tools together to create an upsell experience that feels natural and engaging to your customers. So it's a powerful way to boost your store's functionality, drive additional revenue, and by following the steps that we've covered today, you can configure and optimize the widget to fit your own store's needs. If you've got any questions or require any further assistance, our customer care team is available 24/7. Simply click the chat icon in the bottom right corner of the page of the Reconvert editor, and you will be put through directly to one of our customer care team. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy reconverting.